Hello everybody and welcome back to Hex Token Channel. This is your host Superman. Here we are, hex.com. Let's go. A day 851, 4th of, the 1st of April actually, 2022. Of course, April's Fool's Day. Hopefully you guys didn't get too much fooled by anything. The price is pretty flat there. It's down slightly 0.6%. We're at 15.5 cents. So just at the bottom of the bullish range here at the moment. 3 days in a row. Interesting. And we had a couple of days back here too. Let's go. Return on investment from all-time low, 5th of January 2020, 2,748x. And we've got T-share payout just under 6 there, 5.994 per T-share. And of course, T-share rate, $3,289. The share rate up again, 8.6. Man, is unrelenting. As I say, get your T-shares while you can. 21,202 hex per T-share. And of course, average stake length 6.38 years, up slightly from yesterday. And a percentage yield rate, inflation and early in-stake penalties, 37.82%. And liquidity in the pool, 151.1 million hex versus just under 21.8 million US dollars and 2,124 Ethereum. Let's look at the valuations of the value lock there, 9.959 billion, market cap 89.58 billion. T-share market cap 35.14 billion, and T-shares are down. Oh, massive today, 13,402. We're sitting at 10,681,000 T-shares, and that's the way it goes. Let's have a look at the supply numbers. Inflation up 13.5 million, and we're sitting at 639.2 billion total supply. Remember, these big numbers have the origin accounts in them, and of course, circulating supply up 101 million. That's a big day. 577.4 billion in circulating supply. Let's have a look at the stake down, a massive 888 million hex, and we're sitting at 61.8 million hex is staked. The good accounting there up 21.8 million. That's pretty interesting, and we're up at 1,388 million. Let's have a look at the stake percentage of coins, down from 9.69% yesterday down to 9.67%. Payout to stakers 64 million, and penalties up a bit better today, 770,000. Let's have a look at the wallet and staker numbers here. We got up 254 to 441,000, and of course stakers up 52 to 89,834. I have a feeling that though we're getting some good, some particular staking trends, the people are holding possibly a bit more liquid for the Pulsechain coming up. Let's hold the total stakers here, up 104 to 112,609, and current stakers up 151 to 288,813. That's results for day 851, folks. Let's jump over to Hex price. Hex price in real time is 15.49 cents. Just holding this upward structure here, so not too bad at the moment. Hasn't really broken down, which is pretty cool on that. So I like where it's at the moment in terms of holding. Obviously, up and to the right is better. Hedron's had a great day. So Hedron's really been pumping over the last hours, been riding up since yesterday, and we're at 3,102. And we have a high so far of 3,181. So that was a pretty good call. I think I called that 60% upside, and that has happened yesterday. BTC is starting to recover, 6,184. And Ethereum up at 3,000, almost 3,500. That's the T-share rate at the moment, $3,222 to get a T-share. And of course, it started to rise now. You can see that, man, if the X price rises, you're talking about jumping massively from 3,000 up to 12,000. If it gets back to the all-time high, just remember that. It is relatively cheap at the moment still. Adoption up and to the right, and of course, that's going to supercharge with Pulsechain. T-share rate is only up and to the right, and we've seen non-stop increases to that. T-share payments to hex stakers is always great, and it's only going to go up and to the right over time as well. Expiring stakes course, 15-year global stakes here. We're going to zoom on the next 11 months, and of course now we're in April, and we've got the front of the wave here, as we say, and we've got 258,000 T-shares for the month. That does seem a lot lower than normal, and of course this will slowly break up as well as we go. And of course, Hedron is enticing to some of these short-term OG stakes. Will we get Pulsechain launching? Obviously, my earliest date is the 18th of April, but of course, we could get late April or even early May. So let's be pragmatic, even though there's only really a V3 to go. Liquidity, and of course, possibly a bit of those edge cases around the sacrifices. Otherwise, sacrifices, what app looks very good for the vast majority of people. All right, cool. Hope you enjoyed that. Feel free to catch me in the live show soon, maybe an hour or two, and I'll see you then. Bye for now.